Hey guys, it's just me and a poor, very miserable go-go. And me, a very tired me. Um, Only because I am continuing, this is my third week. I started my third week of waking up Monday through Friday at 5 a.m., no matter what. And I feel extra tired today only because I couldn't fall asleep until 11 p.m. last night. But it doesn't matter. Had to get up at 5 a.m. So this isn't going to be a long video. I'm just going to tell a quick story about something that brought me a small bit of satisfaction. So this afternoon, I left my house at 2:30 in the afternoon to run a few errands, run a couple of errands. And on my way, I was walking to Echo Park here in Los Angeles. I was going to Echo Park, and as I was approaching a crosswalk, I saw that the light was already ticking down to zero, so I wasn't going to have a chance to make that light, but no big deal. But on the opposite side of the street, there was this douchebag, and I only call him a douchebag because most people in Echo Park and Silver Lake, I consider douchebags, especially because I know that they're transplants. You know, they're probably, they just came here to be in a band or something. But anyway, this guy was a big beer-bellied douche. I'm just going to say he was from Boston, only because he had a Boston Red Sox cap on. But what bugged me about him was the fact that he was walking. Oh, damn it. I'm kind of watching the baseball game right now, and the Phillies just jumped ahead of the Dodgers 4-3. But I digress. So anyway, I see this. Hold on, I want to kind of demonstrate how this guy was walking. Let me try to find a spot. Okay, I think this should work. So the guy is crossing the street towards me, but the light has already turned red, right? And meanwhile, he's got sunglasses on, his big beer gut sticking out, baseball cap. Young guy, probably 26 years old or so. And mind you, there's a car patiently waiting to turn where he's walking. The light has already turned red, but he still continues to walk. And he's walking like this, like slowly, defiantly. And like I said, this is a young guy. He's not out of shape. He's just not necessarily in shape, but he's still young enough where he can walk pretty quick. Anyway, he can't tell really that I'm staring at him because I've got my sunglasses on. And to him, I probably look like a douchebag. But anyway, I'm kind of watching him out of the corner of my eye. And as he approaches the curb, he's still so like proud, like slowly walking, but he like has his head kind of tilted back, that he doesn't notice that the curb, although it wasn't a normally high curb, it was still probably about 3 inches up. And as he approached it, he kind of tripped over it. And I almost started laughing. And yes, I got a perverse sort of satisfaction out of watching this douche nearly trip and fall. And that's all I've got for you guys today, folks. So, yeah, I'm way too observant. Sometimes for my own good. But at least I had a story to tell. All right, folks. I'm going to listen to the rest of this game. And then, as soon as it's over, I'm going to go to Slumberland with this little girlie. And I love whenever she crosses her paws like that. But anyway, thanks for watching. Take care. Talk to you tomorrow.